Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to manage your inspections. Our inspections module ties your building inspection to the proper permit to create a seamless package. This module is also great for improving your internal quality control. Go ahead, inspect it. Stay ahead of the game with inspection statuses and needed revisions. With our inspection tracking feature, you can easily add inspections to your calendar with one click. Sort and filter inspections by status. Track what passed or failed or needs to be re-inspected. And when a re-inspection is needed, simply click copy and you have a new inspection record. And Contractor Foreman allows you to easily create a checklist to help document changes needed to pass the next inspection. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to manage your inspections.